append versus extend in Python lists, let's clear up the confusion and level up your list skills in just a few minutes. Hey there, data wranglers. Today we're diving into the difference between append and extend in Python lists. These two methods might look similar, but they work in totally different ways. Let's break it down with some hands-on examples. Alright, let's kick things off with our first example using append. Here, we're creating two lists. List A has 1 and 2, and list B has 3 and 4. Now, here's the key. When you use append, it adds the entire object as a single element to your list. So, when we call a dot append and pass in B, we're adding the whole list B to the end of A. Let's print out A and see what it looks like after we append B. You'll see the output is 1, 2, and then the entire list 3, 4 as a single element. So append just tacks on the whole list at the end. Now let's check out our second example, this time using extend. We're resetting our lists again, so A is 1 and 2 and B is 3 and 4. With extend, instead of adding the whole list as one item, it takes each element from B and adds them individually to A. So when we call a dot extend and pass in B, it's going to unpack B and add 3 and 4 right into A. Let's print out A again and see how it looks after using extend. Now the output is 1, 2, 3, 4. Each number is its own element. That's the magic of extend. Alright, let's run the code and see these results in action. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.